Hi. Let's see how to create a weather app, just by using a notepad. Open a notepad. And type the following code. This website lets us fetch the weather data. Write the name of the city that you want to check the weather off. I'm checking the weather in Delhi. Then, save this file as weather.bat. Such a file will be generated. Double-click this file. And magic! Now we are seeing the weather report of Delhi. You can see the weather for today and the next few days. To edit and change the city, right-click this bat file. And select the Edit in Notepad option. Then, the notepad will open again. Now I'm changing the city to New York. Make sure there is no space between the word New and York. And save the file once. Let's check again. Now we are seeing the weather report of New York City. Amazing, right? Thanks for watching.